Nii Adotei Okropong II, Oshiuman Mankralo, and acting Oshiuman Mantse. In fact, if you on the 12th of August 2025, now Traditional Council, a came recognition, and then in probably year after why they come Sani actually the agenda 2025. You want to say letter. I'm feeling like police, the other agencies. Or my boat letter couldn't mind be allowed. The Ghana Traditional Council has received an intelligence on the likelihood of several clashes between two or more funding parties in the underlisted towns and villages during the 2025 Homowo festival. In respect of the above, I am directed by the President of the Ghana Traditional Council and its members to hereby direct that parties be restrained from sprinkling of festive meal and be so restrained from doing anything whatsoever in relation to the Homowo in order to maintain peace during and after the celebration. These towns and villages include Pokwasi. More than 2 rival chiefs containing Pokwasi's tools. Both rival chiefs and queen mothers should be restrained. Omanjo, likelihood of several clashes between 2 fighting parties. Kojo Ashon, 4 rival chiefs claiming to Kojo Ashon's to all parties are restrained. Anohuma, 2 rival chiefs likely to cause severe clashes. Afiaman, 2 rival chiefs and parties may cause several clashes. Oshiuman, contention over the Mankralo position of Oshiuman by 2 rival factions of the Sempe stool and Nation Alata stool. We are hereby, by this letter, notifying the police and seeking your assistance in ensuring compliance with the above directives to prevent the above havoc. Signed by Evelyn Anuche, Registrar. Copies. The Accra Mayor, Accra Metropolitan Assembly. District Commander, Ghana Police Service, Sowutuom. Divisional Commander, Ghana Police Service, Amasaman. The District Commander, Ghana Police Service, Pokwasi, Emmanuel Tete. Liaison Officer, Greater Accra National Security. Alhaji Yao Kundu, National Security, Accra. The Divisional Commander, Ghana Police Service, Kaneshia. The District Commander, Ghana Police Service, Jamestown. Yo, Nifane Shibani. Letter day, Tomobin Tony here. Letter day, 12 August 2025. Nii Oshiuman, the Nijin will be a comment. I'm a good to it. I'm a shiny military training. Oshiuman, Nakalia. She make my good to it. I'm a shiny Oshiuman. I'm a publishing. I'm a social media. I'm a to it. It was Sani police came like having I've been away. Omanjo, you know, none of that. A small baba. Yellen, I'm a between I'm a shiny. Because crash is back. Or one papa will only confirm market is an shiny you find you don't know in here. The fact I hear here, 2nd September 2025. Statement on recent clash at Omanjo. The Mantse, His Royal Majesty King Takuchi and the entire membership of the Ghana Traditional Council has learned with shock and dismay of recent acts of violence that resulted in deaths and injuries around Omanjo and this Sowutuom over the weekend. During the celebration of the annual Homowo festival, the entire membership of the Ghana Traditional Council condemns this act that resulted in deaths and several casualties. The council wishes to express its deepest condolence to the families of the bereaved, as well as hoping for a speedy recovery of the injured. The council is calling on the Accra Regional Police Command to ensure peace is restored to the area, as well as bringing the perpetrators to this heinous crime to book. Thank you. The Registrar of the Ghana Traditional Council, Evelyn Amewoche, Registrar. Signed. Dated 2nd September 2025. What you find wa Shibani, will only can you feel only your Yumoye, Nike in a banana by year. Moneke a child will mind your mind, Nia Shani. She born a year no. A mammy, then if you record it, I can a bahe, relay here a focule. It will only find it. Make a media for you. Can my mate, I she told me a hippo. Name much we know. I know your mind again. You're fine. None of your meeting. But I make a mulungo, man be a him baby. I mean, cause problems. Your man, you're fine. What chanic about being many? Couldn't one man fail like a Dylan fail, one of fail like a Dylan fail. Don't you know yet? What we plan on it, we find in your radon.